I'm so excited. In today's video, we have two mystery boxes, kind of. So this is from Sydney Grace. So this is, they had a $35 mystery box and they had like different colors you can pick from. I got the deep red, and then they also had a grab bag. So you got 10 eyeshadows for $20. So I got both of them. So if you want to see what I got, here are my thoughts and opinions, and was it worth the money? Then keep on watching. All right, so I got this a few days ago. I did take the packing slip out so you didn't see my address, and I was looking to see how much everything was to make sure I was right. So yeah, I did get the deep red in the mystery box. There were three, it says choose from 3 options. So it was different colors you could have got, but I believe there was more than that you could have got, you know? So I wasn't sure if I wanted to get the light red or the deep red. So I got the deep red because I don't have a lot of red shadows, you know? And or different, I figured, you know, if it was blush, lipstick, all that I can wear, you know. And then they had the grab bag. The grab bag, so you don't know what you're going to get either. It just said shadows. 10 shadows for $20. And Sydney Grace can be expensive. So for 10 eyeshadows for $20, you can't beat it. And I really like their formula. Just don't buy from them a lot because, you know, indie brands are a little bit more expensive, you know. So, and you guys know, if you don't watch my second channel, I got a new car. So I had no business buying this stuff, but I'm weak. I cannot help it. I tell you guys all the time when it comes to mystery boxes. They do still have these available as I'm filming this. I am filming this on Monday, so I will leave it in the description box. All right, so let's open her up and see what we got. I hope they put it in like different, get it out, Ann. Like when I did Makeup Geek, when they had their stuff, when they were selling, oh my God, I can't get it out. I would buy like a couple of them when they used to do their grab bags, you know, for really cheap, and they put it all in one box, so you didn't know like which went with what, you know. So that's what I'm saying. I hope you know what I'm saying. Anyway, shut up, Ann. All right, so that's what it looks like when I open her up. So they did separate it. That's good. Okay, so this was the mystery box, and because I got deep red, so you get a bag with all of them, so that's pretty cool. And then this says thank you, and this must be the grab bag, so that's everything. Okay, let me put this aside and let's do the mystery box. So like I said, this is $35, and they had all different colors: purple, taupe, red. I can't remember, but like I said, I thought deep red, that would be interesting. And I love this makeup bag. And it says Sydney Grace on here. I don't know if you can see. I wish this was silver, but that's a personal preference, you know? It's beautiful. I really like it. Okay. So when you open her up, that's what she looks like. So let me take everything out. Ooh. Okay. And then on the inside is black here. It's a very pretty bag. Very pretty bag. I'll definitely use this. Okay, so let me separate everything. Okay, so the first thing you do is you get a brush, which that's exciting. This says the SGF06 brush, whatever that means. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. This looks like wood, like dark wood. In person, I mean, it's just very pretty. You have Sydney Grace on here, but first of all, I love this type of brush, and this feels amazing. It's definitely synthetic, but you can use this for bronzer or blush, anything, powder. Oh, I love this brush. This was worth the whole bag right here. This is really, really nice. Oh, so I'm excited about that. I was not expecting to get any tools in here. Okay. So the next thing we have looks like a lipstick, and this is in the shade. Let me get my glasses on. I think I need to make another eye doctor appointment because I don't know if it's just my eyesight getting worse or what. Okay, so this is in the shade Tracy. It's very pretty. And then that just says Sydney Grace on there. Okay, so there's the applicator. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is like a plummy burgundy color. I'm kind of glad it's this color because this is more my color than like a red. Oh, that's really pretty. I keep telling you I'm into like that 90s color, and this is definitely, you guys know, a 90s color right there. Ooh, that's exciting. Okay, so the next thing is this. So this didn't come in a box. So this did, and this is, it says Warm Glow. So this must be a highlighter maybe, I'm not sure. All right, looks like that. Let's put some, oh my gosh, that came out real quick. Get your mind out of the gutter. All right, right there. So let's, oh, that's pretty. This is a duochrome. I put a lot on, okay, because I didn't realize it was going to come out that quick. But this is like, oh my, it is gorgeous. It has so many different colors in it. It has pink, purple, peach. Like, I can't explain it. This would be perfect if you want to put it like on top of a shimmer shade, a little highlighter like. You can make this work regardless what complexion you are, I would think. If you just go very light-handed to, you know, if you're deeper complected and go in a little bit heavier-handed. This, and like I said, and if it doesn't match you, eyeshadow. I can't get, this is gorgeous. This is going to make me look at their other ones and see what they have because it's like, I've never seen this type of color. And I wish you guys can see it in do you see how it changes the color? Oh, it's just gorgeous. I keep saying that, but it really is. Okay. Let me wipe my finger off because I'll get it everywhere. This is a great, great mystery bag. Okay, so then it looks like we have maybe 4 shadows and then a big one. So I don't know what this is. What are you? Let me open it up because it doesn't say. So this is the bigger one. Let's see what this is. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, this says Deep. I believe that says Deep Devotion. So let's see. I don't know if this is a highlighter, like a shimmer shade, like a metallic, but it's gorgeous. Oh my God, that's pretty. Look at that. I don't know if this is a highlighter. It's definitely too deep for me, but as a I mean, that is, see, this is why I love indie brands. I mean, look at my finger. This is exactly why I love indie brands. They're just beautiful. Oh, I'll definitely wear that. And this is different colors too. Like, I just can't explain it. All right, so we have that. And then it looks like 4 shadows. Okay, so here is the first one. Let's open her up and see what color you be. I'm going to put all this in like a palette because if I just had like single shades, I know I won't reach for it. But if I put it in a palette, you know, I will. Like a Z palette. All right, this is You Have Me. So this is a matte. Wow, look at that. Okay, that's going in one time. That's pretty. All right, then we have, looks like more like a brownie color. Let's see. All Together Forever. This is another matte. Right here. That's just going in one time. Wow, that's gorgeous. So we have this shade right here. This is called Young Forever, and this is like a metallic or shimmer shade. I'm not sure. Like, it's a burgundy color. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Look at that. One time. And it is very metallic-y. This is going to make me want to go and get, if they have different colors left, of their mystery bags. All right, one more. This is in, I think it says Rentless Beauty. And this is a matte. So that's pretty cool. You got 3 mattes and a shimmer. That's perfect. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. So right here, these 4 shades, they all go together. I mean, of course, the deep red is the metallic, but it's going to make me want to go and get the light red if that's still available or whatever. Like, These are gorgeous. All right, let's recap everything you got in the $35 mystery bag. So you got the brush. Beautiful. Like, I'll definitely use this. You got the highlighter, which, oh my goodness, I cannot explain. I mean, really, if you kind of look at it, like, it goes with these colors. Like, even if you put this down first and put this on top of that, like, if you think that's too deep for a shimmer shade for you, I mean, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. The lipstick is a perfect color for this. I love this so much. Okay, then I don't know, because this is bigger, so it must be like a highlighter or something, you know, and that's right here. It's too deep for me. I mean, my daughter can use it, or like I said, I can use it as a shimmer shade. And then you have these mattes and then a shimmer shade. I mean, they're beautiful. This is definitely worth the $35, hands down. Like I said, if they have any more, I'll link it down below. I'm not sure if anybody has a discount code, if I can find one, because I didn't even think about it. I didn't even use a discount code. I will leave it down below too, you know. But, all right, let me put this away. So I have these old, like, Give Me Glow cosmetics that they used to sell for like 20 bucks. And I have to clean it out, but I'm going to put them in here for right now. And it's magnetic, so this is what I mean. So because I have a palette here, I'll definitely, like, use the stuff. You know what I mean? So we'll have that for now. Okay. All right, so I took that all off so we could do some swatches. Do I have some on my shirt? I don't know. Okay, let's cut that open. I mean, this, if you, look at that, it's filled. This is where you want to go if you want to try their shadows. You've seen how good they were. For 20 bucks to get 10. I mean, look at that. Okay. And then this is, it just says, oh, I guess this is like a little sticker. And then they packaged it with this, really, really nice. All right, so we have a lot. Let me count them and make sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, there's 10 there. All right, so we have this purple color. I'm gonna go quickly so this isn't too long. Plum Flower. This is like a metallic. Wow, that's pretty. I'm not going in any particular order. I think this is Coliseum. This is a bronze metallic. There. This is Restored Fully right here. This is another metallic. Oh, that's pretty. Right there. This is Aspire right here. Oh, that's gorgeous too. This is Emerald Eyes. Now that's pretty. It's prettier in person. This is Cinnamon Toast. Right there. This is Angelic. There, that's a metallic too. All right, 3 more. This is another metallic. This is Alluring Paradise. This is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. So far, they're all metallics. I don't have any mattes. But I want to say the last 2 are mattes. This is Journey Home. So this is a matte brown. Right there. And this is Mind Blown. And this is like a gray black. Right here. I'm going to see if it's buildable. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That's just going in twice. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, this is like a purplish gray black. So, you know, with all the purples and different things, like you can actually build, you know, deepen it up. It'll look great with any of the colors. So you got 8 metallics and 2 mattes. I mean, they're gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and put them in my Z palette so that you can see it all together real quick. All right, so these are all of the metallics, and those are the 2 mattes that I got for 20 bucks. This is definitely worth it. I don't know if I would buy any more of the grab bags for me, only because I don't know if everybody gets the same thing or different things. Do you know what I'm saying? But for 10 shadows or 20 bucks, and these are all one-time swatches except for this one. They're gorgeous. If you want to try Sydney Grace, this is the time to do it. But I think I might pick up another mystery bag. I have no business doing it, but I can't help it. I'm weak, I keep telling you. But I mean, it's just beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out too. Leave a comment. It helps out with engagement. Leave a thumbs up if you guys are liking the mystery boxes. The more thumbs up I get, then I know that you guys are enjoying them. Let me know down below if you know Sydney Grace had a mystery bag or grab bag, and if you're getting them. Like I said, I'll leave everything in the description box, as well as my second channel, Just Anne's World. So if you want to get to know me more on a personal note, I do more vlog style videos over there. Check it out, see if that's something that you're interested in. And that is everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. These are gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I mean, the indie brands are killing it. Subscriptions, makeup, I mean, beautiful, beautiful. I just love makeup. I really, really do. All right, now I go on my walk and talk.